Hi, let's look at this question together. Alex, Ben, and Charles share some stickers. Ben received 3 times as many stickers as Charles. The number of stickers Alex received was 3/5 the total number of stickers. Alex received 120 more stickers than Charles. A. What fraction of sticker did Charles have? B. How many stickers did the boys have altogether? Okay. I'm going to solve this using 2 methods. The first method, I'm going to show you how to do it in model so that for those who need to visualize it, it'll be easier for you to understand. Okay, so there's a same thing. The information given, Ben received 3 times as many stickers as Charles. So if Charles is 1U, Ben will be 3U. Okay, next, the number of stickers Alex received was 3/5 of the total number of stickers. So this part we ignore first. Okay, Alex received 120 more stickers than Charles. So if Charles received 1U, Alex must be U plus 120. And we know that this whole part is 3/5 of the total. So if this is 3/5, this has to be 2/5. So total, I represent it as 3P and 2P. I cannot use U and U because they are different units. Okay? So when you see a question like that, it is always the same thing that you need to do. Somehow you need to split this part such that it is equal to 3. Okay? Reason is that we don't do this part to say that 2U is equal to P, P is equal to 2U because you need the numbers. The numbers is the one that give you the solution. Okay? So in this case, we say U plus 120 is equal to 3P. Okay, so if we want to split this part into PPP, so what we can do is we take U multiplied by 3. So it's 3U, all the units are represented by 3. Or it's as good as I use a knife and cut this U into 3 pieces, cut this U into 3 pieces. Okay, so same thing for 120, 3 pieces will be 40, 40, 40 each. Okay, so now it becomes very neat. We can say that 3U 120 is equal to 3P. Okay, and we have also 2P here is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12U. Okay, so the first part is we want to find the fraction of stickers that Charles have. Okay, what is the fraction of the sticker in Charles have? Okay, so we know that 2P is equal to 12U. P will be equal to 6U. How we know 2P is 12U is 2P is 12U. So P is 6U. So 5P, because total is 5P, is 30U because 5 times 6 will give me 30. So fraction of the sticker that Charles has is 3U over 30U or 1/10. Okay, so we answer part 1 of the question. Part 2 of the question is how many stickers did the boy have altogether? Okay, so we know that 3P is equal to 18U because we know that P is equal to 6U. So 3P must be equal to 18U. So 18U is also equal to 3U plus 120 because this is 3P. 3U plus 120. Okay, so 15U is equal to 120. U must be equal to 8. So total sticker is 30U. So 8 times 30 is 240 stickers. Okay, so this is how we solve the question if you need it to visualize it using model. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you using ratio method. Okay, so for this method, you basically need to have some imagination of yourself. Imagination of the question. Okay, so we know that okay, A is 3/5 of the total. So first we know that A, so we write a ratio of A, then B plus C, because we don't know how many is B, how many is C, we only know that B plus C. So we know that the total is 5 units. So if A is 3 units, B plus C have to be 2 units because the total is 3 units. Okay, you ignore the second row first. Second, we know that B is 3 times of C. So if B is 3U, C is U, the total of B plus C is 4U. So you notice that this is B plus C, this is B plus C. So since B plus C remains unchanged, you can make these two equal. Okay? So simply multiply this whole row by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 2 is 12. Now you have 4U and 4U the same. So when 4U and 4U is the same means that these two ratios are the same. So fraction of sticker that Charles has, so is Charles is C. C is here. Is 1U. So it's U. What is total? Total is 10. So 1 over 10. Okay. So remember Alex received 120 more stickers than Charles. What is Alex? Alex has 6U. Charles has 1U. So 6U minus 1U is 5U is equal 120. So U will be equal to 24. Total sticker 10U. So it's 10U is 24 times 10 is equal to 240 stickers. So you can get the same answer by just a two different way of doing it. Hope that helps.